Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about honey and uh, TRX. So those are most probably one of the index changer for today, and TRX is losing. It's down by a lot lately. TRX there, that's Tron. So it's down by 10%. So, but why is it good to invest on those assets? So let's talk about Honey first. So Honey is the Hyber mapper. So it's a coin for mapping the streets, right? Google Streets. Market capitalization is 20 billion, fully diluted valuations 43, 24 hours trading 500 million peso every day. Circulation supplies 2 million. Total supply. What uh, uh, with this metrics, what's important here? Probably it looks like Bitcoin, but what in, what's important here is the trading volume. It means it's trading uh, healthy. But what really is important is the current price right now, which is it's only 7.74 pesos as compared to Bitcoin. This can increase a lot. The potential for this is around, right now it increased at 43%. In 7 days, that's 75% probably. Why it's not changing? And I think it's 1 month or 3 months. So it's a potential of earning 75% on this coin. Why do we need to trade on this even though it's already the price already fly to the moon? Why can we ride the waves? Good question. Because the price of this is actually very low. If you look at the year to date, max maybe let's check. And this is the potential, so that's around from here to this is around, it's less than 10 pesos, the maximum price almost 20, right? So 50%. Possible 50%, but this is honey and it's still, the price is really very, very low right now, which means it's good to trade on that coin. It's also available in Coinbase. Hypermapper, which is honey. It's actually a changer in the market. So the other one we want to talk about today is Tron. Tron is a coin for open internet or decentralization of internet. The capitalization for this is also very high. Uh, let's just change this to Tron. Will you TRX? There you go. So 29 billion. Um, but price also very low in terms of peso. That should be around, how do we change that? uh, I don't know how to change it. There might be something I can click here, but yeah, it's just 19.71 pesos. So it's very cheap as compared to Bitcoin is. So this is a coin for open internet. This is going down. right? But it's one of the index changers, so might as well we can buy it while it's still very low. So I would suggest we trade on both Terex and Honey. Okay. The I think the possibility of earning here is around 75%. How did I calculate 75% exit? Um, you were still here, so we're still going up. We can go up, right? The coin is good actually. It's for open internet, right? So it's a Singapore-based organization. Aspire to be the Asian Snapchat. Oh yeah, that's the centralized operating system. Well, I say it's for decentralized internet. There. It's for the decentralization of the internet, which is a good coin actually. Uh, how did I calculate 75% potential income for this one? Maybe from here to here is no, it's a good one to invest. Oh, this. Sorry, not feeling good today. Hmm. So it's currently on its high, and we might be riding the waves for this one. Yeah, the increase is 1 year increase of this is it's just 9.6 average increase. Really, in 7 days. Oh no, that's okay. That's cool. So just invest on this too, but do not believe me. Do your own research. What's a good coin to invest? It's on momentum. Yeah, for the entire period except for 24 hours, 7 days. It's on um bull potential. It's on momentum. It's on there's some momentum crypto for 1 year. Yeah, it's going up for its entire life. This coin is going up, and no one can stop it from growing. So might as well ride the waves and invest on this coin. Right? That's TRX. It's not available in Coinbase though. Like TRX here. I don't think so. But Coinbase has Honey, by the way. Please click on my referral program both on CoinsPH and for this one for Coinbase so that I can make money while you learn. Just click on my referral program. Thank you for watching.